my God! Hello mga kachamba! Welcome to my channel and this is your boy Chef Chamba. And today, we will start a series called Chamba Tuesday. And for today's recipe, we will be making French dip a la chamba. Let's get it! Let's begin with the star of the show, the rib roast. Season it generously with salt and pepper. Magpainit kayong kaldero, add some oil, and sear the roast to create that mouth-watering crust. In the same pot, mag-isa kayo ng sibuyas at bawang. Tapos ibalik nyo na yung rib roast. Maglagay kayo ng thyme, 5 cups of water, at soy sauce. And simmer it sa low heat for 1.5 hours. While that's simmering, lutuin naman natin yung caramelized onion. Nagpainit lang ako ng pan, naglagay ako ng konting mantika, at nilagay ko na yung 2 large onions. And then I add butter and brown sugar. And I cooked it for 20 to 30 minutes. And then kapag ganito na yung itsura niya, pwede na yan. Hanguin nyo na at gagawa naman ako ng spread. Eto, gawa naman tayo ng spread. Tsambahan na lang to guys, pakiramdaman nyo na lang. Naglagay lang ako ng mayonnaise, QP mayo, ranch sauce, sugar, at lemon. At naglagay din ako ng minced garlic. Tapos hinalo-halo ko lang. Bahala na kayo kung gaano karami ang gusto nyo. Then kapag malambot na yung meat, hinango ko na to. And then I'm gonna chop this into smaller pieces. Tapos yung broth, naglagay lang ako ng cornstarch slurry para mas thick at mas masarap yung sauce. Tapos kayo nang bahalang magdagdag ng cornstarch slurry hanggang sa makuha nyo yung consistency na gusto nyo. Para sa akin, okay na to. Sa tinapay naman, I used French bread. Pero kahit anong tinapay naman, pwede. Lulutuin ko lang to sa butter para mas masarap. Kapag okay na yung tinapay, let's assemble the sandwich. Eto, optional lang to. Kung meron kayong blowtorch sa bahay, gamitin nyo para merong lasang smoky yung cheese. Oh my God! Wow! Ah! The best! Ah! I could drink this all day. Wow! Look at that. Oh, oh mama. Mmm. The best. Ah! Ang sarap, guys. And then that's it. Ganun lang kasimple, guys, gumawa ng French dip. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more chamba recipes. Tandaan nyo, guys, ang luto, mas masarap pag pachamba-chamba lang. Panalo talaga to.